10 animals that asked people for help. Asking for help when stuck in a life-risking situation is an easy-cheesy task for humans. But have you ever thought what animals do when they find themselves in a scenario similar to ours? Well, let's pause for a while. So hey YouTube fam, welcome back. Well, one thing's for sure, every stone heart will melt here, because today we're about to show you 10 animals that asked people for help. But before tapping that play button, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss a single video in the future. Number 10, shark got tangled in a fishing net. So this is exactly what happened when a shark asked for help from humans after being tangled up in a fishing net. This video, which was shot by a visitor, has won the hearts of everyone on the internet since it's the best thing one can view on the internet after being in a bad mood. The shark came close to the tourist boat for help, and guess what? Humanity is still alive, as the visitors began to remove the fishing net from the shark's head, ignoring the fact that the shark could still harm them. The best part is yet to still come. Everyone was like, "Oh," after seeing the shark patiently waiting while humans were removing the net. And just after the net was removed, the shark started to swim away, but gave us a lovely sign as the mommy shark wags its tail at the humans as if saying thanks and bye-bye. Guys, this was the sweetest interaction of humans and animals, but nah, that's not all. It's just the start of the video. There's a lot more to see, so be ready. Number 9, a hungry wolf asks for food. Usually wolves avoid humans, but this weak, lonely, and injured wolf had no choice but to trust a woman who offered her food. The wounded wolf was terrified of interacting with humans, but she was also dying of hunger. As a result, she trusted the lady and approached her. As the wolf stared at her, the woman threw a freshly baked bun near the wolf, allowing the animal to take bread with her. And that's the best moment. Guys, you can see how happy the wolf was after taking food with her. And we couldn't take our eyes away from this brief but still charming clip. All we have to say is thank you, lady, for taking such a kind gesture toward Miss Wolf. Number 8, bear cub caught in a bear trap. As you can see, the bear cub was caught in a bear trap. He was terrified, tired of escaping and losing hope, but superheroes don't always wear capes, as these two young boys showed up out of nowhere and decided to save this baby bear from the trap. The cub was first frightened, and he attempted to escape from the two boys, but as he understood the boys were not harming him but rather helping him, he became calm. And this is without a doubt the loveliest moment, as the baby bear rests on the boy's shoulder, showing a symbol of trust to them. Finally, after some minutes of trying, the cub was set free to search for its mama bear. This short video proves that good people are still alive in this world to help others. Number 7, leopard head stuck in a vessel. This thirsty leopard got his head stuck in a metal vessel and hoped someone would remove this vessel from its head. As you can see, he's sitting in the center of the road asking for help. Well, obviously he's not crying, "Help me, I'm stuck," like we do, but he's showing us some signs, which are the most precious feelings in the world. And after some time, several fearless local rescuers appear. They treated the leopard with such care, and after hours of attempting, they were ultimately successful in their task. These people are true heroes in their area. Number 6, thirsty cobra asks for help. What would you do if a 10-foot-long cobra came to you for help? Scared, right? But one thing is clear, you might be scared of this cobra, but Indians never hesitate to rescue snakes. On the other hand, snakes are fond of asking for help from locals in India, as summer could be tough on them. In this video, you can see a man feeding water to a thirsty cobra without any fear. The cobra finally found someone who cooled him down by giving him water in this dry season. Number 5, baby bear with a plastic bag. Some fishermen caught something more than they expected, or better to say, caught something bigger than fish. The cubs got separated from their mother while crossing the river. Therefore, 3 newborn bears were caught in the middle of the river. Well, one thing's sure, bears are masters of making a mess, as we have yet another bear clip. But this time they're not stuck in a bear trap, but rather lost in the middle of the river. "What are you doing, little bear? What are you doing?" But thank heavens the lives of bears were once again saved by a human in the form of a fisherman. Number 4, mama and baby elephant. In the following video, a mother elephant is seen begging for help in the dark while trapped on an electric fence. At the same time, her baby also falls down in a ditch. The mother gets stunned by the current, and at this point, the rescuers rush to turn off the power to save her. After the mother was saved, it was time to look at the baby elephant. While the rescuers were trying to free the baby, the mother elephant gave them space and showed us how patient elephants are. And like all stories, this story ends with a happy ending. Now that's not all. Let us tell you more beautiful experiences of wholesome people and animal interactions. So it's time to watch on number 3. Number 3, Thirsty Squirrel. Oh, look at this thirsty little squirrel running towards a kid after seeing a water bottle in his hand. The squirrel is so thirsty and hints to the kid by constantly pointing at the bottle. After some seconds, he understands what the squirrel is asking for. He immediately opens up the bottle cap and feeds water to the squirrel. The thirsty friend takes in big gulps until the bottle runs empty. Oh, sounds so adorable, right? But that's not all, as we have a lot more to show you. So are you ready for number 2? We're sure this part of the video will melt your heart. Number 2, Hungry Stray Cat. This Pakistani kid is very poor and sells plastic for his living. Still, no one can stay back when it comes to helping animals, and this kid found a stray cat asking for some milk. In this poverty, he manages to feed her baby by giving her an extra pack of milk. Oh boy, you won our heart, and yes, moments like these help us form an incredible connection with nature. Number 1, Kitten On-Road. This biker immediately noticed something strange while enjoying his ride. As you can see, he quickly got off his bike and ran towards it. Is that a kitten or something? Oh yeah, that's a 3-year-old kitten frozen with fear on the road. This man is shocked that the kitten is still safe as big trucks pass by on the road due to a motorway. But at least he got the little one out of harm's way, and now we'll see what he does. Please don't leave it on the side of the road, it's too small. Oh, let's see what this biker decides. Oh, he's putting that kitty on his bike. Thank you very much, man. The little kitty will now have the coolest owner on the planet. Seriously, this man has won the hearts of everyone. This is such an ideal video, and at least the kitty is safe this way. So guys, that's all for today. We hope you liked our video, and if you enjoyed it, do share it with your friends and family. Also, tell us which parts of the video you liked the most. Moreover, if you have ever saved an animal from life-risking situations, share your story in the comments section. We love to read your comments. And yes, guys, one important note before going, we still understand that only a few of these conditions are accused by nature itself. Still, animals got stuck in situations like these in most cases because of us. So try to control pollution, kindly keep beaches clean, roads clear to make a better world for these creatures. Well, moreover, let us know which video we should do next. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.